Hello everyone. Sorry, light disturbs me a lot. मैं 2005 से ये felicitation functions, many of them I have had organized and I am part of it. Still it motivates me. यार बच्चे क्या बोलते हैं यार, मैं बोलता हूँ यार मैं तो नल्ला ही पैदा हुआ ऐसा लगता है मुझे. I am not exaggerating. बच्चे क्या बोलते हैं, भगवान टाइप बोलते हैं बच्चे. To start with, I want to say something for my foundation students. देखो whomever he is, her जब भी थोड़ा मार्क्स के पीछे मत जाएगा, थोड़ा दिल से तैयारी कीजिएगा. आप ये नज़रिया रख के सीखिएगा कि ये सवाल मुझे क्या सिखाने की प्रयास कर रहा है. Please remember, if there is a question in the booklet, एकदम रिलीजियसली वो प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, उसके वर्शंस बना लीजिएगा. एंड डोंट रन बिहाइंड द मार्क्स. थोड़ा वो जस्ट समझो, थोड़ा मजे लूटो उस क्वेश्चन का, देन आपका टेक होम ज़्यादा होगा. ये बात आप ध्यान रखना. इनफैक्ट दिस गोज टू माई 11th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो, बट मोर टू फाउंडेशन बेसिक एंड एडवांस स्टूडेंट्स. ध्यान दीजिएगा. नाउ माई पार्ट नाउ. ओजस देशपांडे joined Bakliwal in his 9th standard. Online उसने foundation basic course किया and also foundation advanced course. His JEE mains rank was AIR 534 and his BITSAT score was 353 and his JEE advanced AIR is 281. See the transformation. Please remember everyone, these are not mere numbers. This is meticulous commitment from parent side and also right decisions at the right time and also the consistency that which we have been talking about here for some time. और मैंने उससे पूछा था, बच्चा तेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट क्या, मैं कुछ तो बोलूँ तेरे बारे में. तो he said, sir, organic chemistry. And मैं बोला, बेटा, do you have any hobbies? He said, sir, I like to play piano and I'll improvise upon it. And मैंने पूछा, बेटा कुछ स्पोर्ट खेलते क्या, how do you keep yourself active? बोला, सर मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ बट अंपायर खेलता हूँ. मैं बोला यार क्या बोलूँ. प्लीज वेलकम ओजस देशपांडे.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful introduction. Good evening, everyone. I am Ojas Deshpande, and I have been in BT for the past 4 years as sir. Firstly, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my teachers, parents, my brother, and Vaibhav sir, the entire BT team for their unwavering support and guidance, reflecting throughout my JEE preparation. Reflecting on my time at BT, I joined the foundation course at 9th grade. It was during this period that I developed strong affinity for the subjects. Thanks to the exceptional teaching style, faculty in the 10th grade, I progressed to the special comprehensive course where I had the opportunity to study maths alongside the senior batch. This course allowed me to delve deeper into the subjects as I had ample time and no pressure to adhere to a rigid schedule. This flexibility enabled me to explore more and build a strong foundational understanding, which is crucial for anyone aiming to excel the JEE exam. I thoroughly enjoyed attending every class at BT. The instructors ensured that learning was never monotonous or tiring. We always felt energized after each session due to positive and dynamic environment. Each teacher brought their own innovative methods to the classroom, making the lectures engaging, interactive, and easier to understand. I am especially grateful for the dedication as they were always available to address our doubts, often staying late after our classes until all our queries were resolved. Additionally, the regular online and offline doubt sessions, along with the BT Doubt Forum, ensured that I could clarify every detail. Throughout my journey at BT, the teachers provided me all the necessary materials and assignments, sometimes even beyond the usual scope, and conducted regular tests that helped me align my preparation. The atmosphere at BT fostered healthy competition and among the peers, motivating me to continuously work hard and improve. Once again, I would like to express my thanks to all the teachers, parents and BT team for their relentless support and guidance. Thank you.